everybody, it's Chasey Poo, and today I'm going to be doing another review for Banana Prosthetics. They have come out with a line of like boxers and underwear for packing and for play, and they are called Cocoa Nuts, which I love right here, love that logo. And today I want to talk about just their regular packing boxers. So this is what they look like, and let me tell you, this material looks dainty or looks like thin because it is thin. However, it is so soft. I believe it is bamboo. It is 94% bamboo, 6% spandex. This is like the softest pair of packing underwear I've ever felt before. Now, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it, but first of all, let's talk about price. It is $34. Let me show you what they look like. Alright, so here's the thing with these ones, alright? You have a pocket up front here, and then inside you have another pocket, and then you have a hole. Now, they're really hard to see because they're so dark on camera. It's like really hard to see, but you would put a packer in here. I don't want this video to get demonetized. I'm so sorry. I'm not going to be showing you a packer in this video. But you put the packer in here, and then in the hole, it comes out. And if you lift that, the hole is right there, right? So you're wearing a packer and you do that all day long. Boop, 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 wearing a packer, wearing a packer. When you're ready to pee, or I guess, yeah, if you're wearing an STP and you're ready to pee, you can just take it out, pee, and then put it back in and you're done. If you're just wearing a packer, you could just leave it like this all day long. Now, the sack over here, you could put the balls in. If you're wearing an STP, you could put the like cup in there and then you can take it out when you're ready to pee. So it's like a very like all-purpose type of underwear, which I'm a really big fan of. Other companies do this, like Cake Bandit does this and another company as well. And there's just like other brands that have done this before, and I think it's a great idea because people like packing underwear. Anyway, so I am a large, just to give you an idea, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you want more details, more views, more educational content on this and any other product I've ever reviewed, check out my OnlyFans page, okay? I post so much on there, and I show educational content and show you like what this looks like with a packer. How do you put a packer in it? How does it work? How do you pee? All of these things. How do you use a sleeve? And then there's also explicit stuff over on my Fansly page that you can take a look at, but that's not for here. Anyways, yeah, so there's more content on there that I literally can't show you on YouTube, so I decided to make another page. Anyways, short review, I know, I'm sorry, but this, again, is like some of the softest, like, I wish there was t-shirts that were this soft. Maybe, I mean, there are, but like, I don't know. I'm all over the place today. Anyways, it's also like 9 in the morning. What's wrong with me? I don't even drink coffee. All right, let me know if you have any questions below. I will link all of these things in the description below and my OnlyFans and Fansly if you wanted to check that out, because I love you. Okay, I love you, bye. Bye.